Here is a done for you affiliate funnel that you can import and set up on your Leadsleap account for 100% rebranding and customization. You'll be able to import and rebrand the capture page so that it will build your own email list. Also, you can rebrand the thank you page that can generate multiple commissions, recurring commissions on multiple programs, and you can also use this funnel to generate 50% commissions on the whole funnel. Let me show you the JV page for this funnel. So the front end offer is $7 and you make 50% commission. The second offer is 4 funnels for the price of one, $7, and you will earn $3.50. The third or the second OTO is the setup service, where I do myself the setup for the customer's funnel, and you make also 50% commission. That's $23.50. And this is an interesting OTU actually. If you pay $97, if your clients pay $97 to become a reseller and earn 100% commission on the whole funnel, here you'll make also 50% commission. Promotion tools are also available. You have these eye-catching banners that you can use, and you have also solo emails that you can send with multiple subject lines. So this funnel is completely done for you. All you have to do is actually import the funnel or duplicate the funnel, and you will have the same capture page as this one. And if anyone clicks the button, there will be this pop-up that will build your own email list. As soon as they opt in, they will be redirected to your affiliate link as a bridge page. Your affiliate link, you can get it from this page here on Warrior Plus, so you can just request your link. And as you can see here, the offers are right here. Anyone that purchases the third OTO will gain access to 100% commission on all the funnel. And here is a copy of the thank you page that people will be getting when they upgrade. So it has the full training for the installation and for the 8 video ideas, and also it has recurring income programs, and also there is another one right here for recurring income. So everyone that upgrades can duplicate the funnel, the pages, and also watches the training, the full training. This button here is used actually to upgrade for those who did not upgrade. After opt-in, they will also be able to upgrade anytime we're using this button here. So the customers that will buy, they will plug in their affiliate link right here, and their customers or their subscribers will be able to use it to upgrade. There is also a 6-day follow-up email series that will send your subscribers to this page so that they can upgrade and follow you on the different recurring income opportunities. Now let's go ahead and set up your funnel. So when you upgrade, you will have the share codes to import the capture page and the thank you page, and you will use the sales page in the middle as a bridge page. So anyone that subscribes to your list will be presented automatically immediately to the sales page, and you can make a commission right away after they subscribe. If they do not upgrade, they will be sent actually 6 follow-up emails for the next week, where they will be taken to the thank you page again and again, and they can use this button on top here to upgrade and make you a commission. So we will be promoting your copy of this capture page. If anyone likes what he sees and he's interested, he clicks on this button here, a pop-up will show up and he will enter his email address here, and then he will be presented to the sales page. When they verify their email address, they will be taken to the thank you page, and also they will be taken to the thank you page every day with the follow-up email series. We will follow these 8 steps here to duplicate the funnel, create a list, and then import the capture page and thank you page, import the pop-up opt-in form, attach the form to the capture page, attach the form to the list, attach the thank you page to the list, import and rebrand the follow-up emails, and finally rebrand the pages with your affiliate links. And by the way, the thank you page has recurring income opportunities on it, so you can make recurring commissions. Step number 1, let's go ahead and create a list on Leadsleap. So go to your Leadsleap account back office, and then on the left side click on list manager, and as you can see I already created a list called 8 video ideas. But when you come here, you just click this button here, add a new list, and you will give it a name and click add now, and you will be on this form here where you have to give some information about the list, the name of the list, the brand. If you it's not mandatory, you can just leave it empty. Here we will be back later to put your link for your thank you page. This is the page your subscribers will be sent to after they verify their emails, and then you complete all the information and save the changes. So now my list is ready to receive new subscribers. We will be back later here to these 2 envelopes to import the follow-up email series. Second step, we are going to import your capture page and your thank you page. On your Leadsleap, go to the menu and click Page Manager, click Add New Page, and then give it a name. This time I will call it CP8 Videos, for example, and then I will click Add Now. Now to create the design, I can just import it using a share code. I click this button here, paste the share code here, and then click Import Now. I just did that, and as you can see I have my page imported. If I click on this link here, you will see that I have the exact same copy of the capture page. Now let's go back and import the thank you page. So I'm going to click add new page. Let me call it TY8 videos, and then I will click add now, and I use this button here, add a new design, to import the thank you page. As you can see, I just imported it, and if I click on this link here, you will see that I have a copy of the thank you page, where actually you will see the training that you're watching right now here. This button will have your affiliate link for your subscribers to upgrade. You can get your affiliate link by clicking here on this link here. If you go a little bit down, you will see that we have 3 recurring income opportunities. These are high quality products that you can plug in your affiliate links on these buttons here. After that, your subscribers will be able to download and read the ebook. And by the way, this ebook does not have any affiliate links on it, so you can just keep the button as it is, but if you prefer, you can of course replace it by your own copy of the ebook. Now here is a program that is called Pictory, and it's an amazing tool actually for making videos. It's on the cloud, you don't have anything to install on your computer, and it is really easy to use. You can turn text to speech, you can make very good videos. Well, YouTube is teaming with videos that are made with Pictory, so you can take a look at it by clicking on this button here. And after that, once you register a free account on Pictory, you can get your affiliate link from there and plug it into this button here. So anyone from your subscribers who goes to Pictory takes the free trial, and after that, if they upgrade, you will make recurring commissions. Step 3, let's import the pop-up form. On your Leadsleap, go to the left hand side and find here where it says form and pop-up manager. So I already have this pop-up form from a previous project, and now I'm going to create a new one. So click here, add a new campaign and give it a name. I will call it 8 videos pop-up form. So add a new. Now it has been added, and as usual we are going to import the design using a share code. So you grab the share code and click this button here, add a new form to start, and you paste it here and then click import now. I just did that and it has been imported, and if I want to edit it so I can connect it to the right list, I just click the button launch editor, and here is the pop-up form that will show up when people click on the button that is on the thank you page. I know, actually on the capture page. Now we want to attach the pop-up form to the capture page. So let's keep this editor open. We will be back later to connect this pop-up form to the list, and let's go back to the main back office of Leadsleap. And as you can see, actually this form has the number 27256. 255, sorry. So this is the number of this pop-up form, and I want to go to Page Manager, find my capture page, which is this one here, and then I will click this pencil here and I go all the way down and I want to insert pop-up right here. So I click like this, and here is my pop-up form. I just save the information. Now this capture page is connected to the pop-up form. There is one more thing that I need to do. Actually, I need to connect the button that is on the capture page. I want to connect it to the pop-up form. So let me click launch editor on the capture page, and then I will go to that button right here and then initiate pop-up campaign like this, and make sure you see the right number here grayed out, 27255. So save. Now you are sure that anyone who clicks on this button, it will actually show the pop-up form where he can subscribe. Now we are going to attach the pop-up form to the list. So remember that I told you to leave this window open because we want it actually to go here where it says list, click on it, and then get list ID and find, maybe you have multiple lists, you can find the list that you want, click it here, and then make sure you save the changes. This way, anyone who subscribes from this pop-up form will enter the right list. Now here is a very important information to consider. This link here is called redirect URL immediately after opt-in. So we want this to be a bridge page, and we want this to be your affiliate link for this offer. So what you do is go to your thank you page, click on this link here, and then you will be at the Warrior Plus where you can request approval for this offer. You can request approval here and get your affiliate link, copy it and go back here, paste it here, make sure you paste your affiliate link here and save the changes. Now we want to attach the thank you page to the list. We want people, when they subscribe, we want the confirmation email to go to their email. When they click it, they will be taken to the thank you page. And here is actually how you do it. You go to your newly imported thank you page, you grab the link from the top here from the browser, you copy it, go back to Leadsleap, and then go ahead and find list manager right here, and then this is our list. You click on the gear and you want to paste that link for your thank you page right here, and don't forget to save the changes at the bottom. So this is the place where you put the link for your thank you page. Now you want to import and rebrand the follow-up email series. I'm saying rebrand because you will have to give your first name that will replace mine on the sign off of the emails, and also you want to provide the link for your thank you page to replace mine. So back to Leadsleap, and remember earlier I mentioned these two envelopes here. So we click the two envelopes and then we click the button import, and we provide actually the share code right here, and then replace all existing episodes, and then for the welcome email you say yes if available. So you put share code, you choose this and you choose this, and you click import now. I'm going to do that and be back. As soon as you click the import button, you will be taken to this pop-up which will ask you to enter your thank you page URL right here, so that it will be put on all the emails, and also it will ask you for your first name to sign off the emails, and then you click replace and import. Once you do that, here is exactly how the follow-up email series will look like. Every email of these have your first name and your copy of the thank you page, of course. And finally, let's rebrand the funnel pages. Actually, there is one page to rebrand, the thank you page. There's nothing to do with the capture page. Everything is already set up. So we want to put our affiliate links everywhere in the thank you page. So go back to Leadsleap and go to page manager, and then in front of the thank you page click launch editor like this, and you will see the design where you can edit, of course, things. And we want to go ahead and start with this big button on top. People will use it if they want to duplicate the system. This will be your affiliate link, and like we showed you before, we need to go to this page here by clicking here. You click here and you go to this page, request your affiliate link, copy it, bring it back here on Leadsleap, and you want to select the button and put your affiliate link right here at the right hand side, and save the changes. Second thing you want to do, you want to get your Leadsleap affiliate link here on this orange button, the easy clicks on the green button, and the Traffic Blaster Pro on the pink button. And after that, like we mentioned before, you can put your own copy to be downloaded here on this button, your own copy of the ebook, and you can leave this one as it is. If you're interested in promoting Pictory, you can just click on this button, go grab your affiliate link from Pictory and put it here. And by the way, when you register on Pictory for the trial, it's not limited by time, but it's limited by the number of videos you can make. So you can make up to 3 videos completely for free just to try the system, but your account will remain active forever. You can, of course, upgrade any time you want, if you like, of course, the product. So I think this is everything you need to rebrand on the thank you page. There's nothing else to do. Just make sure you put your affiliate links everywhere on these colored buttons here, and then you will be good to go. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.